guys, I just graded your scholarly articles. I think it was informal writing assignment number 10. And I would say a good chunk of you, probably over half, had trouble actually finding a scholarly article. And you submitted something that's more like a popular source. So I want to go over the instructions one more time for finding a scholarly article, and I'll actually just do it with you. So I would start from our Canvas homepage and go to Library Resources, and then click on Find Articles. And you can read through the information here. Scholarly is going to look like this. Popular source, which we don't want for this assignment, will look like this. And I would go to ProQuest. To log on, just use the first part of your email address and your password that you would use for Canvas. Log in. And then I would go up here to Advanced Search. And there's a few things you can do to limit your search to scholarly. I would limit to full text, peer-reviewed, and then go down here for source to source type. And you can limit to scholarly journals. And to limit it even more, to make sure you don't get like a note or a book review, you can choose article. Language, generally, you don't have to worry about that. Can be helpful to choose a location, but you can also limit it after you finish your search. So let's say in my search, I'm going to put, let's see, leadership in anywhere, and students in anywhere. It's going to be pretty broad. And college in anywhere, or higher education in anywhere. Okay. And then I definitely want to narrow to the last 3 years. Now let's see what we come up with. Search. Okay, so way too many results. So if I were really doing this, I would go back and I'd redo my search terms and make them more limiting and more specific. I can go here to the last 12 months. That's going to limit it a little bit. Still too many. I would redo my search. But another way you can limit it is by location. And this is actually really helpful because we want to make sure we don't cite to sources published like in China, where they're less reliable. So I'm going to choose United States. Okay. So that helps a little bit. Still, I would go back and redo my search, but that should give you a sense of how to limit your search so that you find scholarly peer-reviewed journal. And when you pull up the full text PDF of a scholarly journal, you should see College Student Affairs Journal, Volume 37. This looks scholarly. We're going to have an abstract. So this is kind of a short abstract. We see that the authors come from specific universities. They're tied to university. We have citations within the text of the article. And if I go all the way to the end, I'm going to see a lot of works cited. So there should be a works cited page, a references page or 2 or 3. And we can also see that there are those sections of a scholarly article we look for. There's a conclusion, a discussion section. There's subheadings to break up the argument, results. So we want to look for abstract, introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, things like that will indicate that it's a scholarly article. Okay, I hope this helps, guys, and definitely email me if you have trouble finding a scholarly article. I will continue to accept the articles through the end of this next week, and it's really important that you find a scholarly article since that's a big part of your grade on this next paper.